In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to add music and sound effects to your video in Premiere Pro. Once you have your video in your timeline, you're going to go to Safari and drag the music that you downloaded using YouTube to MP3 converter. Just drag it right into your video. Once it's dragged into your video, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. And then you have music in your video. When adding sound effects to your video, it's the same concept. Once you have your video in your timeline, you're going to find a sound effect you like on YouTube, use YouTube to MP3 converter, download it, and drag it right into your video. That's all there is to it. Now you have sound effects added to your video. Thanks for watching this easy tutorial on how to add music and sound effects to your video in Premiere Pro.